So today what we are going to learn, ordering of the numbers, chapter number 11, maths. Okay, number may be arranged from the smallest to the greatest or from the greatest to the smallest. नंबर कहीं से भी अरेंज किए जा सकते हैं, या तो हम उसको स्मॉल टू बिग और बिग टू स्मॉल यानी ग्रेटर टू स्मॉल और स्मॉल टू ग्रेट कर सकते हैं. That is called the ordering of the numbers, as I explained you. First is ascending order. What does ascending order means? Ascending means from, ascend means to go up. Ascend means, what does ascend means? We have to climb up. यानी हमने सबसे छोटी सीढ़ी से सबसे बड़ी सीढ़ी तक जाना है. That is called ascending. In ascending order, what we have to do? We have to arrange the number in ascending order. We put the number in the order. How we put? In the order of small number at the first and the greatest number at the last. So increase होता जाएगा, small, then उससे थोड़ा बड़ा, then उससे थोड़ा बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा, and then the greatest. यानी from the smallest number to the greatest number हमको arrangement करने होते हैं. And numbers may be any number, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be 1, 4, 8, 9, 10, any number. So we have to arrange from smaller number to the greatest number. That is called ascending or increasing order. हम इसको एक नाम और बुलाते हैं, that is increasing. तो कभी भी आपके एग्जाम के पेपर में increasing भी लिखा हुआ आ सकता है या ascending भी लिखा हुआ आ सकता है. So you have to prepare according to that. So to arrange the number in ascending order, we put the numbers in order from the smallest to the greatest. तो हमको कैसे याद रखना है? Ascending कहाँ से चालू होता है? अल्फाबेट ए से चालू होता है और ए अल्फाबेट सबसे छोटा अल्फाबेट होता है एबीसीडी में. तो हम उससे ध्यान रखेंगे कि असेंडिंग ए से चालू होता है मींस स्मॉलेस्ट, ए स्मॉल होता है यानी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर टू द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. ये एक ट्रिक बता रही हूँ मैं आपको. You have to remember that if A ascending is there, then you have to start with the smallest number. क्योंकि अल्फाबेट A सबसे पहले आता है, सबसे छोटा अल्फाबेट होता है ना ABCD का. So this is a trick for you. Now we have to learn descending order. What is descending order? That means to come down. Descend means to come down, नीचे आना. हम अभी कहाँ गए थे? ऊपर गए थे, ascend हुए थे. Now we have to come down. That is called ascending and descending. अब हम नीचे आ रहे हैं, that is descending. यानी हम इसमें क्या करेंगे? Z से A की तरफ आएंगे. अभी हमने A से Z की तरफ गए थे, अब Z से क्या करेंगे? हम A की तरफ आएंगे, राइट? यानी सबसे बड़ा नंबर पहले और सबसे छोटा नंबर सबसे लास्ट में आएगा. Got it? So to arrange the number in descending order, we put the number in the order from the greatest number. जो हमारे पास नंबर्स दे रखे हैं उसमें सबसे बड़ा ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर जो होगा वो सबसे पहले, फिर उसके बाद सेकंड ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर, then third greatest number, then fourth greatest number. It will be like this. Okay, now what we have to do in this? To find the ascending order of the given numbers. It is 11, 19, 2, 25 and 6. So first we will look सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है. फर्स्ट सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 2. तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? What we will write over here? We will write 2. What we will write here? We will write 2. Just wait a minute. I'll show you. So what we will write over here? We will write this number 2. Okay, this number will come over here. Now then we will write number 6. उसके बाद smallest number इनमें से कौन सा है? This is number 6. And after that, which is the smallest number? It is 11. Yes? Then we will write 11. Then we will write 19 and then we will write 25. Okay? Got it? Yes. Like this we have to do. And one I'll do for this. This one also. Descending order, what we have to do? First we will take the greatest number. So in 2, 8, 3, 5 and 4. In this line, which is the greatest number? Vivan, pay attention. It is 8. 8 is the greatest number. So we will write 8 over here. What we will write? We will write 8. First we will write 8. Then we will write second greatest number. That is 5. We will write 5 over here. Then we will write 4. Which is the greatest number then? That is 4. Then we will write 3. Then we will write 2. Okay. So the greatest number at the first and the smallest number at the last. Okay. Similarly, in this also, 22, 18, 31, 5 and 14. First, we'll find the greatest number in this. So 1, first we'll look the tens. यहाँ पे जितने भी tens है ना हम वो देखेंगे. Like यहाँ पे 1 tens है, यहाँ पे तो 5 only ones में ही है, यहाँ पे 3 tens है, यहाँ पे only 1 tens है और यहाँ पे 2 tens है. तो सबसे बड़ा कौन सा tens होएगा? 3 tens. तो यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा नंबर ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर कौन सा हुआ? 31. Okay. Then the next number we'll find if there is any other 3 tens. No. If there is any, next number is 2. So 22. 2 tens आ रहा है हमारे पास, तो ये हो गया 22. Okay, comma. Then वंस में जाएंगे. वंस में हमारे पास 1 tens में हमारे पास 2 नंबर्स हैं, 18 and 14. तो हम सेकंड वाला नंबर देखेंगे. अब 18 का 8 बड़ा है या 14 का 4 बड़ा है? तो 18 का 8 बड़ा है तो हम 18 लिखेंगे. वो यहाँ पे हम क्या यहाँ लिखेंगे? We will go for 18. Yes. Now the next number is 1 tens वाला सेम नंबर आएगा, that is 14. Okay. And then last number which is left is number 5. So this is the descending order we are doing. हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? ये descending order यानी decreasing order भी बोलते हैं इसको. हम क्या बोलते हैं? Descending order को decreasing order भी बोलते हैं. Now we have to do this one. I'll do this also for you. So this is over here. First, we'll do the second one now. 63, 54, 34, 72 and 28. In this also we will see the tens one. हम पहले tens वाले देखेंगे. दिख रहे हैं आपको? यहाँ पे मैं मार्क कर रही हूँ. That is tens one. तो इसमें सबसे छोटा टेंस किसका है? 6 है, 5 है, 3 है, 7 है या 2 है? It is 2. Means 2 tens वाला सबसे पहले आएगा, यानी that is 28. Okay. Then this is done, so we can cut this also. This will be easy for you. Then it is 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Which number is the next? 3 tens. So we will take 34. Yes, we'll cut that. Then again there is there is no 4 tens, there is 5 tens, 6 tens, and 7 tens. So we can write 5 tens wala. Yes, 5, 4, 54, comma. Now we will take 6 tens one, 6, 3, 63, comma. Then we will cut this also. We'll cut this also. That 72 is left. Okay. So in this form, we have to do the ascending and descending order. Now next, I'll show you on the next page. We will go. Sorry. Okay. Now this is write each set of the numbers in order to form least to greatest. Least means छोटा, least भी आ सकता है, smallest भी आ सकता है. हमारे पास बहुत सारे तरीके से ये लिखा जा सकता है. तो 36, 74, 92, 61 and 15. Which is the least number in this? Which is the least number? Can anyone tell me? 36, 74, 92, 61 and 15. Yes, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand if anyone can tell me. Yes, Bhavit, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
14 को टेस्ट लेंगी.
Yes, tell me.
92. Ma'am,
No.
92. 92.
It's not 92, beta. I'm asking this least number. Least number.
सबसे छोटा.
सबसे छोटा, smallest number.
Ma'am, 15.
Yes, it is 15.
15.
Okay, it is 15. Okay. Now, yes, Swati ma'am. Tia, unmute yourself. Now tell me which is the smallest number after that. 15. 15 के बाद क्या लिखेंगे? Unmute yourself.
36.
After, okay. We will write 36, Tia. Very good. Next, who will tell me? Guransh, unmute yourself. Tell me which number will come next.
61, ma'am.
Which? 61. Okay, very good. 61. Yes. Now next, Vedansh, unmute yourself. Vedansh,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me which number will come next after 61.
After 61.
You raised your hand, na? That means you should know.
मैम इधर तो दोनों ही बेटे हैं 6 से.
हाँ, तो then tell me na, which will come next? 7 will come or 9 will come? 7 tens will come or 9 tens will come?
7.
Okay, then 74 should be the number?
Yes.
Okay. And the last number, nobody will tell because that is obvious. I'll write it 92. वो तो सबको ही पता होगा. Okay. Yes. Right. Now the next one we will do. Vedansh, mute yourself. Prakhar Khandelwal, unmute yourself. Prakhar. Akshi Sharma, unmute yourself.
सबसे
Now
छोटा
tell me
नंबर बताओ.
the lowest number. Twelve, 53, 23, 87 or 9? 12. Okay, ma'am, mute yourself. प्रखर, there is lots of noise. आपके वहां से बहुत नॉइज आ रही है.
बोलो मैम ये अनम्यूट कई बार हो रहा है, कई बार हो ही नहीं रहा. जाने
Now tell me the next number. Tell me the next number. We are on recording.
नेक्स्ट नंबर बताओ.
नंबर क्या है?
12,
53,
53.
23, 87, 91. कौन सा उसके बाद?
यार फिर अब आपको बता दूंगी.
आप उसमें बताओ जल्दी.
ये मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
हाँ तो mute yourself if you don't want to tell. Lower your
जल्दी
hand.
बताओ.
Unmute yourself.
सीधे बैठो आप. एक तो सीधे नहीं बैठते हो बिल्कुल भी. अब बताओ. 12, 53, 23, 87, 91.
12 is done, beta. Next number you have to tell.
12 के बाद में क्या आएगा? क्या लिखेंगे 12 के बाद में? बताओ. 12 से बड़ी कौन सी डिजिट है? 23. बोलो मैम को.
23.
Okay. 23. Okay, next. Mute yourself. Next. Unmute yourself.
इसमें बढ़ता हूँ. इसमें 23 के बाद और कौन आएगा इससे बड़ा? बोलो तेज बोलो मैम को.
53.
Okay, fine. 53. Okay, next.
67.
No, stop. Okay. 87 and 91. Okay, चलो आपने सब बता दिए बेटा. एक ही बताने थे वैसे. Okay. Now we'll do the next. Vaishnavi Sharma, unmute yourself. Gianna Bhatti, then after that you unmute yourself, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me the lowest number first.
11.
Okay, 11. Yes, Gianna, unmute yourself.
क्या नंबर? बोलो. यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, speak up. बोलते जाओ. You go on speaking.
नंबर बोलो.
39.
39. Okay. बस mute yourself.
9 के बाद
Mute yourself.
50.
Okay. Next is unmute yourself. Agam.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ 39 के बाद क्या आएगा बेटा?
8 के बाद
39 के बाद
67. 7 उसके बाद 70.
58 के बाद क्या आएगा? ध्यान रख कि बच्चे क्या बोल रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट आपको बोल रहे हैं.
58.
58. Okay. Very good. Unmute yourself. Mute yourself, sorry. Now, Arohi, tell me.
67.
Very good. Okay. And the last number is 72. ठीक है. Okay, done. अब now we will do descending. Okay? अभी हमने ascending कर लिया, अब हम descending करेंगे. Now, Janvi, tell me, unmute yourself. Janvi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Tell me. Arav, don't Don't scribble on the screen. Please, nobody will scribble on the screen. Yes. Tell me fast. Janvi. Reba, unmute yourself.
9.
The greatest number you have to tell me now.
99.
Where is 99 over here? I am asking from the B part. This one.
75.
75. Yes. 75.
55.
Okay. Next. Mute yourself. Vedansh, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Janvi.
What?
अब इससे थोड़ा सा छोटा बोलना है.
Yes, 75 से थोड़ा सा छोटा बोलना है. Right.
61.
Yeah?
61.
Okay, this one? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next.
Ma'am, 37.
Who is saying that?
Janvi.
Okay, Janvi. 37.
7.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Bhavit, unmute yourself.
मैम मेरे से भी पूछो क्वेश्चन.
अरे मैम ने पूछा है, बताओ. जल्दी बताओ.
हाँ बताता हूँ. 87.
Where are you?
फर्स्ट वाले में पूछ
Where
रही
are
हूँ.
you? आपका ध्यान नहीं है, मैं कैसे पूछूं आपसे? Tell me. I'm asking from this question.
28, ma'am.
Yes, it's 28.
28, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And the last number is 11. Yes? Okay. Now, lower your hand. Lower your hand. Who will tell me next? Raise your hands fast. You have to raise your hands. Aradhya Agarwal, unmute yourself. Yes, Guransh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, tell me. Tell me the greatest number from this.
ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बड़ा नंबर.
64.
Yes. Tell me. What about your confidence? जल्दी बोलेंगे.
बोल.
60?
87.
No. Yes. Oh, sorry. It was 87. 64 नहीं था. Yes. Next. Who is there? Akshu Sharma. Unmute yourself.
64. 64.
Okay, 64. You have to tell it yourself, okay? Don't ask.
मैम इसी ने बताया है.
नहीं, मैं just बच्चों को बोल रही. Don't ask. You have to tell it yourself. Angad, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Tell me.